Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, so this video is on the Mytee Light 8070. This is the machine. This is the hose. And this is the wand. Let's set her up. First thing you're going to do is get you some hot water. Use your favorite extraction rinse. Quick connect hose. Vacuum hose. Turn on the pump first. Prime your wand. Now turn on the heat. Give it about 10 minutes. I want you guys to take a look at this chair we're going to clean. This chair is disgusting. Got this out of junkyard. Gonna put it in my truck. Now you're gonna get some heavy duty carpet pre-spray. Mix it up in your sprayer. Make sure you cover the whole chair. All right, we're gonna let that pre-treatment spray soak for about 2 minutes. All right, so this right here is awesome. It's half and half water, half awesome. And what we're gonna do is soak the seat again. Make sure you soak it good. All right, so let's turn on the vacuum. Now you can't tell me that chair doesn't look good. Ooh, got everything off. Whole chair's clean. Sides, everything, front, everything. It's just damp. You can't tell me that Mytee Light ain't the best carpet extractor. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you what that Mytee Light can do. I'm out.